Good evening, guys. Today I'll be making a very quick video. It will not be a long one. So we opened almost flat, all right. Sorry. So what happened here is there was a quick downfall here. Okay, and initially my trades from this moment onwards, it started hitting the call put as well as the call stop losses in this place. And then from here, actually, market took some direction till this place or till this candle. Now, till this candle, I was hoping that if market, it had continued like this and closed somewhere here in this range, or it would have continued downside and then closed near 100, 100 or something. Then I would have made some money, but today I actually lost 8,500 rupees. That is 0.5% on my total capital. Now let's measure like how much was the movement. Okay, so initially there was a move of 60 points in Nifty. Okay, and the ATM straddle at this particular time was 70 rupees. So 60% reversal came only just before 10 a.m. only. Then after this point, Nifty actually fell 95 points from here, and by this time at 1340 the ATM straddle premium was only 30 rupees, and the market actually moved how many points? 135 points. So the premium is not making any sense right now. The ATM premiums are very low. If you are if you want to capture theta, you'll have to find newer or innovative ways to do it. But just opening a straddle and taking a stop loss on one side is not working anymore. So that is why I keep many of the delta trades at different times. Like one delta trade was here, this failed. All right, so another delta trade was here in this candle. Even this failed because of call and put stop losses. Then 12:30 another delta trade, even this call and put stop loss. And then some of the delta trades work in this range. So this actually worked. So that is how my PNL actually tried to cover by the end of market. So tomorrow is Friday and then there is a weekend. So I'm hoping for a trendy move tomorrow. And yeah, with that I'll catch you all tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be explaining you something more about my daily PNL sheet where I keep updating my PNL. So till that time, take care. Bye bye.